Hello everybody and welcome to a new consumer good review. Today we have a product made by Kellogg's company. Pringles Tortilla Nacho and Cheese. A fiesta of corn crunch. So this is a Pringles Tortilla and it comes in this classic Pringles tube design like the other ones. Let's see the ingredients. Corn flour 50%, vegetable oils, cheese seasoning, flavor enhancers, monosodium glutamate, disodium ribonucleotidase. This is too hard for me. I don't know what these ingredients are. 180 grams. And I guess that's it. Let's pop it open. Here we go. Can I do it with one hand? Let me do the right hand. Yes. Let's see. Ooh, they're not broken. Sometimes when you buy Pringles, they broke down. Let's smell it first. That's a classic Pringles flavor. Let's see. Design is the same as the other Pringles. And they have these black dots on the surface. I guess they're pepper or something. Let's taste them. Okay, Pringles Tortilla Chips going in. Let's try it. A little bit disappointed. I don't know why, but the last time I ate Pringles, I remember them being much more crunchy. But this is really soft, which is really disappointing. It says corn crunch here, but it's not so crunchy. If you compare to other potato chips, it's much more soft. You can't call this crunchy. It's too soft. But the flavor is okay. I like the flavor. Yeah, it's like really thin. And it's super soft, not crunchy. It tastes like classic tortilla chips. And the cheese flavor is there, which is good. But the form is not good. Not good at all. This package has been sealed. And it's not like it's expired. It still has date until 2021, half year from now. So they should be crunchy. I can't really recommend this product for anybody. There's much better tortilla chips out there like Old El Paso or Doritos. Those are good crunchy tortilla chips, but this, not good. I have to give it 7 out of 10. No, 6.5 out of 10. It's not good. Don't buy this. Buy Doritos instead. Or some other brand. But yeah, thanks for watching and subscribe and more videos over here and here. I see you guys in the next consumer review. Thanks for watching.